Wishing you all a very gorgeous morning, dear students. Today we are here to continue the chapter The Honest Woodcutter with its exercises. So let's get started the exercises. But before that, let's have a look on today's thought. Here it is on your screen. It is not as important in life that how strong are you physically, as to be strong mentally. Dear students, जीवन में यह इतना महत्व नहीं रखता कि आप शारीरिक रूप से कितने ताकतवर हैं, जितना कि आपका मानसिक रूप से मजबूत होना। याद रखिएगा, शरीर चाहे कमजोर भी हो, लेकिन आपका मन हमेशा मजबूत होना चाहिए। आपके इरादे हमेशा बुलंद होने चाहिए। सफलता आपके कदमों पर होगी। With this energetic thought, let's get started the exercises. Dear students, first of all, let's have a look on some important word meanings of the chapter. Here we go. Honest, ईमानदार, axe, कुल्हाड़ी, slipped, फिसल गया, golden, सोने का, silver, चांदी, iron, लोहा, reward, पुरस्कार देना. Now, dear students, let's move on the first question of the chapter. What was the woodcutter doing? लकड़हारा क्या कर रहा था? The answer is the woodcutter was cutting wood with his axe on a very hot day. लकड़हारा भरी धूप में अपनी कुल्हाड़ी से लकड़ियां काट रहा था. Moving forward to the next question. How did his axe fall into the river? उसकी कुल्हाड़ी नदी में कैसे गिरी? The answer is while he was drinking water from the river, his axe accidentally slipped from his hand and fell into the river. जब वह नदी से पानी पी रहा था, अचानक ही उसके हाथ से कुल्हाड़ी फिसल गई और नदी में गिर गई. Here is the third question. Why did the woodcutter start crying? लकड़हारे ने रोना क्यों शुरू कर दिया? The answer is the woodcutter was worried to think how he would earn for his family, so he started crying. लकड़हारा यह सोचकर चिंतित था कि वह अब अपने परिवार के लिए कैसे कमाएगा, इसलिए उसने रोना शुरू कर दिया. The next question is, who came out of the water? पानी से कौन बाहर आया? The answer is the river goddess came out of the water. पानी से नदी की देवी बाहर आईं. Forwarding to the next question. Why was the river goddess pleased? नदी की देवी उससे प्रसन्न क्यों हुई? The answer is the river goddess was pleased to see the honesty of the woodcutter. नदी की देवी लकड़हारे की ईमानदारी को देखकर प्रसन्न हुई. Here's the next question. How did the river goddess reward the woodcutter? नदी की देवी ने लकड़हारे को कैसे पुरस्कार दिया? The answer is the river goddess rewarded the woodcutter by giving him all the 3 axes. नदी की देवी ने लकड़हारे को वो तीनों कुल्हाड़ी देकर पुरस्कृत किया. Here's your next question. Honesty is the best policy. Discuss. ईमानदारी सबसे अच्छी नीति है. चर्चा कीजिए. Here's the answer. Honesty is one of the most desirable character traits in us. If we are honest and truthful, God will always reward us in one way or the other. Therefore, honesty is the best policy. हम सभी में ईमानदारी सभी वांछनीय चारित्रिक विशेषताओं में से एक है. यदि हम ईमानदार और सच्चे होंगे, तो ईश्वर हमें किसी न किसी रूप में पुरस्कृत करेंगे. इसलिए ईमानदारी एक सबसे अच्छी नीति है. Here's the next question. The woodcutter's axe was made of? The right answer is iron. लकड़हारे की कुल्हाड़ी बनी थी लोहे की. Space came out of the river. The right answer is river goddess. नदी से कौन बाहर आया? सही उत्तर है नदी की देवी. Coming to the word for, write the opposites of the following words. Dishonest, honest, come, go, cold, hot, laugh, cry, punish, reward, sad, happy. Let's forward to the language practice. The question is, Material noun is the name of a substance with which things are made. Example: cotton, plastic, milk, cement, silver, etc. किसी भी पदार्थ का नाम पदार्थवाचक संज्ञा है जिससे चीजें बनी होती हैं, जैसे कॉटन, प्लास्टिक, मिल्क, सीमेंट, सिल्वर, etc. Now, dear students, choose the material noun from the box and fill in the blanks. The chair is made of space. The ring is made of space. The red bucket is made of space. The Taj Mahal is made of space. The jacket is made of space. And the last, the window is made of space. Here are the solutions on your screen. The chair is made of wood. The ring is made of gold. The red bucket is made of plastic. The Taj Mahal is made of marble. The jacket is made of leather. And the last, the window is made of glass. Here's your next exercise. Answer the following questions in yes or no. One is done for you. हाँ या ना में उत्तर दीजिए। एक उदाहरण आपके लिए। Will you come to school tomorrow? क्या तुम कल विद्यालय आओगी? The answer is no. I will not come to school tomorrow. नहीं, कल मैं विद्यालय नहीं आऊंगी। Dear students, let's complete the exercise. Do you love to play outdoor games? क्या तुम्हें बाहर के खेल खेलना पसंद है? Yes, I love to play outdoor games. Is Aruna a good dancer? क्या अरुणा एक अच्छी नर्तकी है? The answer is no. Aruna is not a good dancer. नहीं, अरुणा एक अच्छी नर्तकी नहीं है। Next question is, are the children going to watch a movie? क्या बच्चे एक फिल्म देखने जा रहे हैं? The answer is yes. The children are going to watch a movie. Were the boys playing football yesterday? क्या लड़के कल फुटबॉल खेल रहे थे? The answer is no. The boys were not playing football yesterday. Dear students, that's how we have completed all the necessary exercises of the chapter, The Honest Woodcutter. Now it's your turn to note down all these exercises in your notebook. Let's call it a day. See you in the next video with a new chapter and its exercises. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, do subscribe, like and share the videos so that other students who are unable to attend their school due to this pandemic may also take advantages of these videos. I'm gonna miss you all until we meet again in the next video, and do the same for me. Keep watching all the videos and keep learning and keep taking a good care of yourselves as well.